Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 1000 amp 0 to 9 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 240 volt, 3-phase. It's in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. It does have a remote with digital meters. There is the remote with digital meters. Overall dimensions, 32 inches long by 28 inches wide by 45 inches high. Take a look at the other side here. And we'll come back around, turn it on for you so you can see and hear it go. Take a look at the O-scope wave here. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.